Hello everyone. I haven't been out to visit the garden in a couple of days because I haven't been feeling well. Fortunately, we have had some good rains the last couple of days, so I decided to come out and check on my garden. It's amazing the difference a couple of days can make, and let me show you. Okay, so here we have the rosemary, and going back into the thyme. Now this first thyme plant right here, I got that at the store, and it was in one of those plastic baggies, and it was practically dead. I felt sorry for it and wanted to save it. So that's what he looks like now, right there. He's doing great. And here are some Roma tomato plants. I haven't been out to take the suckers off of them in a couple of days, as I said, but we're getting some good growth here. You can see that tomato down there. And each of these tomato plants, oh, they're getting so big, has some growth on them. It looks like something's eating parts of them. I'm not sure what it is, though, because the rabbits don't get up that high. But see all those little tomatoes there? And there's the thyme again. And then we come over here, and we have more Roma tomato plants. And I know this one has some tomatoes in here somewhere. Oh, there, I can see it. There we go. And this one, I think, has the most on it. As you can see, there's a ton in there. So hopefully I'll be making sauce in the very near future. And then the last time I looked at these bell pepper plants, they were much shorter. But now they have gotten so big. And I thought there was a pepper in here somewhere, but maybe something got to it. And these poor little pepper plants are kind of overcrowded by the tomato plants. This is the onions that I'm growing. And then we have the grape tomato plant right here, which hasn't gotten any tomatoes on it yet. Oh, wait, there's some. Those were not here the last time I was out here, so we've got some of those as well. And then we have Rubius here, who has some new growth on him. Right through here, he's doing great. I'm proud of him. These are my lavender plants, looking pretty. My basil, which I actually used to make a caprese salad not too long ago. And then we have the lemon balm right there. And everybody is looking great. So I just thought I'd give you an update on how this is going. And see you next time.